What time does the film start? A fun and easy English conversation. Hey, I was thinking, do you want to watch a movie tonight?
That sounds great. What movie are you thinking of?
There's a new action movie at the cinema. It looks exciting.
Cool. What time does the film start?
It starts at 7:30 p.m. Should we go a bit earlier?
Yes, let's go at 7 p.m. We can buy popcorn and find good seats.
Good idea. Should we meet at the cinema or somewhere else?
Let's meet at the bus stop near my house. We can go together.
Perfect. Do you know how much the tickets cost?
I think they are $10 per person. Should we book them online?
That's a great idea. Booking online is easier and faster.
Okay, I will book the tickets. What about snacks? Do you like popcorn?
Of course. I love popcorn. Let's get some drinks too.
Sure. Do you prefer cola or juice?
I prefer juice. It's healthier.
Good choice. Should we go for dinner after the movie?
Yes, why not? We can go to the new Italian restaurant nearby.
That sounds perfect. I love Italian food.
Me too. So, let's meet at 6:45 p.m. at the bus stop.
Okay, see you then. I'm excited for our movie night.
Me too. See you soon.
Learn English with ship travel questions, A2 level English practice. Where is the ship going? The ship is going to Italy. Who's the captain of the ship? Captain John is the captain of the ship. Is Jack traveling by ship? Yes, Jack is traveling by ship. Does Emma like traveling by sea? Yes, she loves it. How long is the ship journey? It is 5 hours long. Is this a cruise ship? Yes, it's a big cruise ship. What time does the ship leave? It leaves at 10 a.m. Are there restaurants on the ship? Yes, there are 2 restaurants. Where is Emma sitting on the ship? She is sitting on the upper deck. Is the sea calm today? Yes, the sea is very calm. What can Jack see from the ship? He can see the coastline. How many people are on the ship? There are about 200 people. Is Emma seasick? No, she feels fine. Do they sleep on the ship? Yes, there are cabins for sleeping. Is it Jack's first time on a ship? Yes, it is his first time. Where did the ship depart from? It departed from Istanbul. What did Emma eat on the ship? She ate some fish and rice. Is there a swimming pool on the ship? Yes, there is a small pool. Do they enjoy the ship trip? Yes, they enjoy it a lot. Where will the ship arrive? The ship will arrive in Athens. Easy English questions about gardens, learn with Emily and Gabriel. Where is your garden? My garden is behind the house. Do you have a small or big garden? I have a small garden. What do you grow in your garden? I grow flowers and tomatoes. Does Emily like gardening? Yes, she loves gardening. What color are the garden chairs? The garden chairs are white. Is there a table in your garden? Yes, there is a wooden table. Do you water your plants every day? Yes, I water them every morning. What does Gabriel plant in spring? He plants roses and tulips. Do you have a garden umbrella? Yes, we use it in summer. Is your garden decorated? Yes, there are lights and statues. How many chairs are there in the garden? There are 4 chairs. What do you do in your garden? I relax and read books. Do you have a barbecue area? Yes, we use it on weekends. Are there any trees in your garden? Yes, there are 2 apple trees. What kind of flowers do you like? I like sunflowers and daisies. Does Gabriel mow the lawn? Yes, he mows it every week. Do you use garden lights? Yes, they look beautiful at night. Can you eat in the garden? Yes, we sometimes eat dinner there. Is the garden furniture new? Yes, we bought it last month. What is your favorite place in the garden? My favorite place is the swing chair.
20 must-know English questions about food, restaurants culture. Where do you usually eat dinner? I usually eat dinner at home. Do you like going to restaurants? Yes. I love trying new food at restaurants. What is your favorite restaurant? My favorite restaurant is a small Italian place near my house. Does Lucy like spicy food? Yes. Lucy loves spicy food. What kind of food does Jack prefer? Jack prefers Japanese food. Have you ever tried sushi? Yes. I tried sushi last week. Do you eat with chopsticks in Asian restaurants? Sometimes, but I usually use a fork. What is your favorite Asian dish? My favorite Asian dish is Thai green curry. Is Chinese food popular in your country? Yes. Chinese food is very popular here. Do you like noodles or rice more? I like noodles more. Does Jack go to restaurants often? Yes. Jack goes to restaurants every weekend. What time do you usually go to a restaurant? I usually go at 7 p.m. Do restaurants serve breakfast in your country? Yes. Many restaurants serve breakfast. Can you cook Asian food at home? Yes. I can cook simple Asian dishes at home. What is the most famous Japanese food? Sushi is the most famous Japanese food. Is the restaurant expensive? No. The restaurant is not expensive. Do you eat dessert at restaurants? Yes. I always eat dessert at the end. Is there a good restaurant near your house? Yes. There is a great restaurant 5 minutes away. Does Lucy want to try Korean food? Yes. She wants to try it this weekend. What do you usually drink in a restaurant? I usually drink water or juice.
English at the bakery, speak like a native. Easy questions answers for beginners. Where is the nearest bakery? It's on Green Street, next to the flower shop. What do you usually buy at the bakery? I usually buy bread and cupcakes. Does Lucy like chocolate cake? Yes, she loves chocolate cake. What kind of cake does Jack prefer? He prefers strawberry cake. Can I have a slice of cheesecake, please? Sure. 1 slice of cheesecake coming right up. Do you make fresh bread every day? Yes, our bread is fresh every morning. What is your favorite pastry? I really like croissants. How much is this chocolate muffin? It's $2.50. Is this cake homemade? Yes, we made it here in our bakery. Do you sell birthday cakes? Yes, we have many types of birthday cakes. Can I order a custom cake? Yes, you can choose the design and flavor. Does this bakery have gluten-free options? Yes, we have a gluten-free section. What time does the bakery open? It opens at 7 o'clock in the morning. What time does the bakery close? It closes at 8 p.m. Is Jack working at the bakery today? No, today Lucy is working. Do you want to go to the bakery with me? Yes, I'd love to. What flavor is this cupcake? It's vanilla with strawberry topping. Did Lucy bake this cake? Yes, she made it this morning. Can I get a coffee with my cake? Of course. We serve hot coffee too. Is this bakery popular in town? Yes, it's one of the best in the area.
20 simple questions and answers about family in English. Improve your speaking skills. Who is Douglas? He is Fiona's brother. Who is Fiona? She is Douglas's sister. What does Fiona call her father's brother? She calls him uncle. What does Douglas call his mother's sister? He calls her aunt. Who is the youngest in the family? Douglas is the youngest. Who is the oldest in the family? Fiona is the oldest. What do Fiona and Douglas call their mother's mother? They call her grandma. Who is your cousin? My cousin is Fiona. What do you call your father's father? I call him Grandpa. Does Douglas have a big family? Yes, Douglas has a big family. What is Fiona's mother's name? Her name is Mary. Is Douglas married? No, Douglas is not married. What does Fiona's brother do? He works as a teacher. Does Fiona have children? No, Fiona does not have children. Who is Douglas's father? Douglas's father is Mr. Brown. Who is Fiona's sister-in-law? She is Emily, Douglas's wife. What do Fiona and Douglas do on Sundays? They visit their grandparents. Where does Fiona's family live? They live in London. Who is Douglas's best friend in the family? Fiona is his best friend. What do Douglas and Fiona call their parents? They call them Mom and Dad.